And here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hmm. Good old Monday, Lucia. Hey, my fellow Denmarkian, what's going on, brother? Hey, it's Killian. Good morning. Well, good afternoon. Llama, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? That's what I just said. I'm doing all right. How you doing? Oh, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. I'm glad it worked out for everybody. Let him know, Vince. Let him know. Yeah, so Lucio, I mean, DraftKings was setting up well, but, market's going to pull back. It's going to weigh on it, So that might take a day or two. But I should get back above 30. I mean, if you bought like 30 and a halves or something like that, you should be all right. Infiltrated the group, talking stupid things about his Discord and who earns 100,000 a year. Yeah, I've never seen someone who, bro, how you talk all that shit and then you post $900 account? Like, come on, man. Thorny, what's up, brother? What's up? Hope the check is doing all right. Sadly, I misclicked Border Pound. Oh, all right. Oh, that was the first guy in here. I love that guy. And then all of a sudden, join my Discord. It's for my resume. I'm trying to get one of these trading jobs. Like, yo, are you fine? Are you out of your mind right now? Are you out of your mind? And I honestly should have kept him in here to keep tabs on him because whoever may hire him should pay me 10 times whatever they're hiring him for. So I actually should have kept him around so I could find out who hired him. Get that easy money. These people are crazy. Bro, I don't know, man. All right, I don't know. I called puts, and they should be up very nicely. That's all I know right now. Yeah, long term, I'm sure it'll be all right. They're doing freaking AI. They got robots coming. I'm sure it'll be good. Do you think BB can get lower? Uh, oh no, yeah, no, you gotta grab that. You gotta. I mean, of course, anything can happen. If markets really start chunking down, we can break support and come down here. But, I mean, in my opinion, it's a buy, in my opinion. That's all I have to say about that. Hey, Lou, how you doing, brother? Everybody loves Tesla. 410, I don't know. Yeah, I was looking for about 414, but markets keep selling off, man. We're going to go back low 400s. So we'll keep an eye on that. One question. When you give the buy alerts of SPY. Okay, so some people can do same-day expiration. Some people in certain accounts, like Fidelity, doesn't let you do same-day expiration. So usually if I call like a SPY call or put or something like that, it's usually a play that, in my opinion, I am expecting to happen soon within that day, right? So if you are able to take the risk, if you want a larger return, you could do options expiring today. If you want to be a little more safe than sorry, just in case it doesn't immediately start to work out, you can buy tomorrow. So yeah, like before, where was it? Yeah, like as we climbed up, see, we were bouncing back and we got back to this trend line, and that's why I said SPY calls. Right? So at the end, I mean, it really doesn't matter, right? If you bought expiring today, you made money. If you bought expiring tomorrow, they went up also. So, you know, it's really up to you how much risk you could take. Why don't you look at Palantir instead? I'll look at whatever I want to. Done sleeping in, just kidding. That's hilarious. I've been up for over 4 hours. Hey, send that donation you over yet? JK. That's why people talk a big game about donations. I mean, I appreciate you saying it, but actions speak louder than words. I fly like paper, yeah, I like planes. Oh, why does it taste so sweet? Now, I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to White Tiger. Save your kronas, bro. Save your kronas. Oh, why does it taste so sweet? Yes, well, I know you kind of just got back into it, but believe it or not, when markets, again, in my opinion, are red and are quote unquote real, that is when I shine the most. That's what I tried to keep telling you guys over all these years. Like, we're in a BS fake bull raging market that we shouldn't be in, and I'm still right more than I'm wrong. And this is all bullshit, right? I'm still right more than I'm wrong. And then you can see when we actually get real, it's even easier. Now fly like paper, get high like plane. I have to sneeze. Yes, me. Yes, me. Bro, what I tell you, bro, just keep your coronas, bro. Yeah, that guy really pissed me off yesterday, too. I know you're all gonna say, like, ah, don't let it get to you, but yep, that really aggravated me because it just tells me what I've been in denial about, that everyone's in here just taking advantage, doing their own thing, taking my recommendations, passing them off as their own. So sad now how society just doesn't want to work for anything. You don't even want to know, Llama. Breaks my heart. Breaks my heart. Yeah. That's why I bided my time coming on today, actually. I wasn't even going to make any short term call outs, but then I was like, you know what? I'm the best at what I do. And, not everyone in here is a complete scumbag piece of shit. So, gotta stay on track. Gotta keep doing what I do best. Which apparently is changing people's lives and then getting shit talked for it. Yeah, it's an unfortunate world we live in. Like I said, I don't know who raised these people, but they failed. I'll tell you that damn much. Yeah, I appreciate that, Walma. I appreciate it. I had a couple of people say that right away, too. When I said I was upset, they messaged me and they were like, don't let it beat you up. I take it as a compliment. You're awesome. Just found your short-term calls page on Discord. I don't even know. I have nothing to say. He said he just found it. Yeah, sorry, Joe. I even messaged you individually. It's all right. It happens. Made so many great calls today already. Phenomenal. La fly like paper, yeah, like plane. Wow. Wow. What I miss? A lot of profits. Check MBOT. Yeah, it's not moving. It's a no. HGraph Life Quote 230 MBOT $1.99. Holding that line like an animal. Yeah, we were laughing about the piker before. People who been sitting in here for months and years, who don't say anything, who probably make money hand over fist on my short and long-term trades. They're passing them off as their own trades, as their knowledge, their expertise. They're now starting their own discords. I am fucking livid. You have no idea. You have no idea. And if I wasn't already doing well and you guys made money already, I'm telling you I don't even know if I'd be here right now streaming. I'm not even joking. I am livid at this community. Spark 'em if you got 'em. Time fly like paper, get like a plane. And who was it too? I think, who was it? Shattered? Nice call. Damn. I think it was Shattered who reached out last night. And he was like, yeah, what do you think this week? What's going on? I said, we might be up Wednesday and Thursday for NVIDIA, but Monday and Tuesday we should be down. And you can see we were down, we went up, and now we're back down, huh? Hey, Deli, how we doing, brother? It's all about the cafe. Cafe au lait. Oh, yeah, it was... Yeah, great time, yeah. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. I didn't find it enjoyable at all, but I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. Hey, Slick, what's up, brother? I'm sorry, I need 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, back in it. Video back to 100, 200. Missed the timing. Yeah, we're looking for the stimulus checks. Oh, yeah, how's that one doing? Yep, just chilling, huh? It was a really, really nice quarter, though. I'm sure it'll get back up. Oh. Check my email. Yep. My favorite person in the world, the one individual who makes it his business to take care of me after I take care of him. Once again, thank you very much, sir. I appreciate that. Nailed freaking 3-4 calls. I got one person excited, sends me money. That's crazy. Gonna have to start focusing on the real ones. This one man always reciprocates, and I love him for it. Makes me want to give him the next one. Makes me want to help him more. Because I'm appreciated. Suzanne got it. Boo! Boo! Bro, what'd I tell you? Keep your kronas, bro. Aw, thank you, Joe. Appreciate you, brother. Very kind of you. Very kind of you. That is true as well. Don't forget to like the stream. That's okay, brother. I appreciate it. You know, it's not your fault. You guys are just here and you got to hear about it. It's all right, though. It's all right. I appreciate it. And he sent the Cronin. What'd I tell you, bro? Save your Cronas, bro. All right, fine. Fuck me. All right. Yes. Yes. Fuck me. Yes. Because I said no. All right, fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. So far, so good. What a phenomenal start to our week. Other people are probably like, oh shit, I'm red. What's going on? But us. See, we know exactly what to do in here. You're just joining us. Welcome. God damn it. Welcome. Spark him if you got him. Couldn't find it. Yeah, I don't know. It's very. It's like a well-known company, but I don't. It's not one that would, drive its own ETF really. So, yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to find anything for Disney. Well, that was quick. Um, no, no, Disney's actually up since I said puts, but um, we recently, we recently chunked down. We had a miss on revenue, so that's why I think it does step even lower. I think we see low 100s and maybe even I was saying sub 100, but I just don't know how much they'll beat it up. But I've been saying they suck, man. Yeah, yeah, I mean, yeah, usually, ideally, if you think a stock is going to pull back, you wait for it to pop 2, 3%, then you buy your puts. But yeah, right now it's up 1%, market's down. It's a good time to bet against it, I think, in my opinion. Yo, calls on the spy, calls on the spy, calls on the spy. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Potential ascending triangle on SPIX and a potential descending triangle on the dollar. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, it said we had like 16 viewers before. Now all of a sudden it's back down to 9. What happened? What happened? You expect me to believe 6 people joined, saw how awesome I was, didn't say anything, and they all left? I don't believe that. I'm sorry, I don't believe it. Oh, forgot the thumbs up. Wow. Wow. And I took that personally. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, no, wait. I mean, I can't even tell. Oh, shit. What the hell? As the dollar pops, I get a pop-up. That was wild. Not good. Not good. Not good. Unless we see the S&P for some reason move with the dollar. Oh, we just gapped up. That means we should go down. Right as I call calls, bro. Are you kidding me? This is why I hate using technicals, man. Joe's in the call. Yeah, it might have been terrible timing. Hopefully we see the dollar break back down. Just wait, just wait, just wait. There we go. There we go. Look, it was forming the triangle. Now they're showing it's a fib retracement. You see what I mean, bro, with this bullshit? Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide rolling. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I expected the dollar to drop. We ended up seeing a dollar pop. Yeah, we need this, like I said. Hopefully this was just a little flash and we break back below the moving average. That'll help out your SPY calls. Bada bing, bada boom. Uh-huh. 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 No. No. What time is it? 1:30? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Look, it was setting up that triangle beautifully, and then it broke. Oh, such a crock. Look at this now. Look at this. Bullshit. I'm hungry. I actually hate eating, though. It, like, slows me down. Damn it. Shit. This is so tight, though. It was gonna break to the downside. What is it doing? S&P approaching 6,700. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, come on. Took the Disney put. All right, nice. Nice. What'd you buy it for this Friday? My goodness, I hear so many vehicles that you can tell that, they need power steering fluid, they need brake fluid, or new brakes. Got to open a garage around here. Dollar trying to hold the moving average. Check the account, see if I'm rich yet. Nope. One day at a time. Also, again, I mean, we could enter a seller's market where everything, of course, just continues to go lower. So even now, something we see that's, quote, on a dip may, of course, go even lower. And again, it's not about being perfect with our timing. You know what I mean? It's about, if you're gonna buy stocks on the dip, just make sure, as I say, in my opinion, make sure they're, fundamentally sound, and those should be the ones that should hold or bounce back. Yeah, you bought the 21st, okay. Okay, hopefully it should be all right for you. Band on the run. Band on the run. Shit. If you have zero DTE, doesn't want to break. If you have zero DTE SPY calls, you may want to exit right now. I mean, I just don't know what they're planning to do with this dollar. And see, it's bouncing around, and I think it wants to drop, but at the same time, they're chipping away at the S&P. Right now, they're going to bring this back up to the moving average. I just don't want anyone to get burned too quick, But I mean, I believe in my analysis, but again, I mean, we're talking zero DTE. Like I said, maybe a little bump here if you want to get out and break even. It's up to you guys, honestly. Yeah, I don't need an update when you're down on your SPY calls, all right? After you joined and said that you missed like 3 winners. Yeah, I don't know, honestly. Like I said, I know what I know. That's why I'm so hesitant to jump ship when I call something. Look, and the dollar just chunked down. It's back below the moving average. I'm telling you, they're dancing it around. Oh, man. Like I said, unfortunately, it's really your call. I mean, it's I know I'm like, the captain here of the ship, but at the same time, it's your money, it's your call, you know what I'm saying? If you don't want to get burned, if you don't want to watch it disappear, again, if it expires today, if you want to just get out of your SPY position, again, it's entirely your own prerogative. Hopefully you didn't risk too much. Again, I'm just concerned. Looking good, okay. Not me, I got till tomorrow. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, really only if you bought for today's expiration, are you really like on the fence? And as we know also, we see moves in this freaking index in like the last 7 minutes of the day, right? So we could be wrong all day, and then it could perfectly set up for whatever the hell position you have going into tomorrow. So that's why, as we say, it ain't over till it's over, especially with index options. Especially with index options. I'm just worried now, though, right? Because we had this retracement it's showing me, and then we have this little curl. So we're potentially bottoming here with the tightening, forming a potential descending triangle. And I'm just worried about this break here. That's why I was throwing out a warning for the 0 DTEs, right? Because if we break, that's where we're going. It's like a 20-point drop, you know what I'm saying? So your call will get decimated. Yeah, no, we're going to break here. We're going to break here. SPY puts, in my opinion. SPY puts, in my opinion. Even though it makes no sense. Bottoming out 3 times. You could tell it wants to break 6,700. And now again, also think about this. If you have SPY calls for tomorrow or Wednesday, I mean, you could technically jump in SPY puts for today or tomorrow, right? You could play this quick trade while holding the longer trade as well. So that's why I say, if you really think about it, there's always money to be made. And it's unfortunate that, it's unfortunate the limitations on smaller accounts, right? Oh, you need this much to have more day trades. It's really, really unfortunate because with how quick the money moves, you need to move that quick as well. And, sometimes you jump in an option. I mean, you might have to flip the freaking thing in 90 seconds and hop the fence. You know what I'm saying? And that's why, if you're saying like, oh, you only get a couple of trades every week, like I mean, you're literally tying our hands behind our back. And that's why you'll hear people like, oh, I had $1,000 and, 18 months later, now I got $3,000. And it's like, yeah, listen, that's great growth, right? But also at the same time, if you had no limitations, I mean, you might be at 5 or 7, even conservatively. It's really windy today. Saw some flurries earlier. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. They're going to try to inch this back to the moving average. Okay, 67.02. Yeah, I don't know. It just looks weak, though. And again, it looks like they want to keep bringing the dollar up. Here we go. We got the straddling. Joey Bag of Donuts. Saying, you know what? I don't give a shit if it goes up or down. Just make a move and let me know. Hitting them with the old straddle. Okay, they're basically right back to the moving average now. Yeah, if we reject hard here again, if this candle goes, it's not really that long of a wick, actually. I was going to say it could form potential bear hammer, but unless we pop a little and hard reject, we're probably not going to form a bear hammer off that. And I think we're technically above short-term resistance now. Right? If we were to come down like this. Right? Mm-hmm. Should drop right down to this trend line. which would make, again, like the third, fourth bottom of this channel. Do you see it? Double bottom. No, I don't think I saw a double bottom. Yeah, we're going down. We're going down. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'm being number one with a bullet. And right down to the line. It's like I did this for a living or something. It's like I was a professional. It's like I was licensed or something. Took 2,500 loss. Okay. You should be in puts. I mean, I don't know. That's what I mean. Yeah, like again, like you know, I appreciate the update. Okay. You missed 3 trades. Yeah, that's true. That's good. Very good. Very good. Oh, threw off my freaking trend line. I'm honestly very confused with what they're trying to do here. Yeah, listen, still got over 2 hours, bro. You never know. Never know what money could be made. Find your trade right now. I still say spy puts, man. I still say spy puts. Look, and now they're starting to drop the dollar. I don't know, man. I don't buy it. I still say spy puts. I think we go here. I really do. And DraftKings went down with everything else. Palantir, Tesla sold off beautifully. Oil sitting at 60. Gold, silver, up, down. 92. Wow. Surprised more people aren't talking about that. Okay, we had a spike up here. Then you retrace it. Look, but now they're running it. Yeah, it's got to stop like here. Is there any more coffee? Okay, that should be about the retracement. And now we should make a lower low. Huh. You guys know this is complete bullshit and massively unrealistic, right? What the fuck? Oh, that's funny, man. Oh, I gotta laugh about it. Gotta laugh about it. Yep, up, there's your break. Yep. Wow. Oh, that's why you gotta laugh about it. That's why I say you gotta laugh about it, man. You could just tell though how weird the chart looks, right? You have these, look at these candles though, honestly. You have these random surges. Look at this. These random surges of the green. And then we give it out and completely drop it harder and lower, right? We bottom out, and then look, we have these big green candles, these surges of these greens. And then we chill, and then we break it back down. And now we're starting to see a surge of green again. I don't know, it just seems like a very, very weird chart to me right now. And we could look and see 695 695 43. Okay, right, and this is our daily here. 75.5. Yeah, that's close enough. Right, okay, okay. So we're like here. But that's what I'm saying. It still looks flat. It looks like they want to break this to the downside, bro. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. Whatever they're selling, I'm not buying. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. This crock. Oh, shit. Running on fumes, baby. Yep, 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 yep. Oh. 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 Don't you dare make a liar out of me. Yep, 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 Oh yeah, bad flag for me, baby. What the fuck was it? Let's go! Woo! They think they can do me! They think they're me! There's fucking levels to this shit, bro! These punks don't know shit! That's why they stay. They try to talk all the shit they want. Every fucking word that comes out of my mouth, they need to hear it. It's fucking golden what I say. Woo! Son of a bitch. Keep telling me we're all the same. Keep telling yourself we're all the same. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, we're all the same. Anybody could do what you do. You're overrated, bro. You don't deserve donations, bro. Join my Discord. I'm better than this guy. Are these people fucking crazy? I'm who's who. I'm fucking who. Woo!
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
All fucking day, baby. Woo! Appreciate you, Killian. Love you, bro. Woo! No one uses trend lines anymore, old man. Oh, baby. Why does it taste so sweet? Shit. Oh man. I am too damn good, man. I'm too damn good at this stuff, man. Oh shit. I'm screaming so much. I need some water. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, does it taste so sweet? Got myself some Tang. Y'all remember that? When's the last time you had Tang? Oh, yeah. Hold on the calls. Thanks for getting me out of calls. You're welcome. You're welcome. Right? I mean, anyone could just jump on and say, "Oh, QQQ calls," and get blessed on a random pump day. But not everyone can protect you like that. And of course, I know it ran up, right? So you could have taken less of a loss. But again, you see, I was adamant about puts, and look at that. Look at that. Even if you took the loss and hopped the fence, I mean, you're up. Well, you should be, kind of. Oh, man. Good times, man. Good times. Wait for another break. Obviously, Palantir and Tesla puts are up huge. VXX calls also up huge, probably. Wow, I am freezing. HGraph 223, MBOT 198, live quote. And I ran so far away. And I just ran all night and day. And I couldn't get away. Don't you get sucked into the bullshit. Don't you get sucked into the bullshit. There's time. There's time. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Oh. Wait for the sixes. Wait for the sixes, my friends. Mm-hmm. Get ready. Oh, my page. What happened to my page? Make me refresh my page. Ah, yes, good things come to those who wait. Not gonna suck us in yet. We know what we know. My throat hurts from yelling. That's a crime. PayPal sub 62? That's crazy. That is crazy. Yep. S&P lows of the day. Yep. Holy shit. I'm fucking amazing at this. Wait for the break. Steady. Steady. Oh. Steady. Oh, excuse me. Get ready with your spy calls. I'm getting old. Show me the way to go home. I'm tired and I wanna go to bed. I had a couple drinks about an hour ago. It's gone right to my head. Oh, I gotta clean this keyboard, man. Freaking filthy. Crazy. Oh no. And everywhere I knew. Have you ever seen the rain? So, I think I'm the best. I think I'm the best. That's what I think. Let's go. Stop buying your calls. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I said these are the breaks. Break it up, break it up, break it up. And there's the sixes. Spy calls, in my opinion. Ha 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 ha. Why does it taste so sweet? Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Yo, bro, I don't know. You should be in already. I don't know. Where's the spy, bro? 670 frickin' twos or some shit. I don't know. Are you talking about actual SPX? I mean, it should go back to at least here, minimum. No. What am I saying? 6680? Could see 6680 at least, but yeah, probably 6700 going into the close, in my opinion. Gonna be out for a couple of weeks. Oh. All right, Joe. All right. We work hard so we can play hard, brother. We do what we have to do so we can do what we want to do. Good Deli taking the reins. Hmm. Lonely. I'm still lonely. I have nobody. Still lonely. I'm still lonely. And I have nobody. So here we would exit the puts and do calls. Yes. As it like broke, and then I said, yeah, calls. Yeah. You get out of the puts, you buy the calls. Yeah. Hurry up and buy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy. Because I'm a crazy boy. Sitting here making everybody money. I got no trades myself, but making all of you money, huh? Small caps can be a hedge against AI mania. That is probably one of the worst takes I have ever heard. Do not believe that. AI has pumped up and supported this whole BS market value. So if the markets start chunking down like an animal because we're coming back down to reality, small caps are the most exposed. Yeah, I have no idea where that freaking headline came from. Okay, we're at 2:30. Got about 90 minutes to go into the close. Yeah, technically. But usually, again, usually they hold up well because you don't want the dollar to take too much of a hit either, right? So you need the dollar to be attractive so that dividend stocks hold their value, right? Even like today, you can see, look, we're down. You got Hershey, VZ, Green, right? PM actually taking a hit, but you see, you can't have. It could be a hedge, but you can't have the indices and the dollar dropping. I mean, obviously, though, if you could buy puts or inverse ETFs or volatility, then obviously those are better hedges than, a dividend stock. But yeah, I mean, technically, if we're talking about what's going to hold up the best, then yeah, technically it's those big boys with the really nice stable balance sheets. Mm. Are they really going to bring it down to that fib? I really didn't expect them to. Let's check earnings. We got trip.com. XP. I think we looked at XP in the past, didn't we? It sounds familiar. All right, I got a couple of names after the bell here. And then tomorrow before the open, we got Home Depot, Baidu, Bell Ring. Is that Ring? Pinduoduo. Yeah, I don't really follow that company. Weibo. Medtronic. Yeah. Hmm. Uh, would you do one or two DTE calls now? Well, the problem is, again, even if we rally now in the last hour, we can give it back in the morning. So I would say one DTE, in my opinion, not two. And you got to play the market. You're going to have to play the flip. I don't know if you'll be able to hold it, really. Unless you're planning on holding it, then yeah, I guess by 2-3 days expiration. Woo, look at all those sixes. They brought it right down to it. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. All right. You guys watch that. I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, we went lower. Damn. I mean, I speculated that the end of the year was going to be rocky. So we may sell off or remain flat even until like maybe the last week of the year. And that's it. We just had little pumps. That was it. Oh, you suck. You suck. It was 10 points too early. Son of a bitch. Look at a dollar. Pumping. Damn. Damn. Oh yeah, Disney Plus. Beautiful. Power hour, T minus 10 minutes. Looks like markets are wedging. Ay, 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 ay. Do we flash crash to 6650 and then pop? Or do we just climb from here? That is the question. Yeah, I don't know. Might want to start to climb back up to that trend line. Oh. I was doing work on my basement. I gotta paint the whole freaking basement now. Ugh. I gotta repaint a bathroom. I gotta get shelves in that bathroom. Wow, there's a yellow school bus outside. I love a yellow school bus. Mm-hmm. I think that was like perfectly timed. Right there. Right there at 12:10. I said Tesla puts in the Discord. Incredible. Incredible. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, my sinuses are messed up again. It's spiking that dollar now. Oh. Oh, sub 66.50 on the S&P. 66.48. Dropping. Might just be dropping it before power hour, bro. Technically down to the trend line here, I think. Guess it pops now. Well, if you were gonna buy more calls, looks like now's the time. What is this? $46. $46. We need 47. If you want to buy more calls, now's the time. Mm, baby. All right. I do have lines on SoFi. There you go. So, mm, short term, 2880. So we can go like there. Yeah, this could pull back to like 25. Even this fib right here is about 25 and 3/4. So, and even here as well, we can do this. What is this low? 2884. And we could even we could even come down. What? Yeah, we come down like that. Right? Yeah, low 26s into the 25s potentially for SoFi. What's going on? Oh, below the trend line. Oh my god. Oh my god. SoFi's doing well though. SoFi doing really well. Oh, wow. Wow. The one time I think buy the weakness into the close. Are you serious right now? They're really beating this up right now. Damn. Dow down almost 700 points. All markets, all indices, I should say, down about 1 1/3. Dow down almost 1.5%. Oh baby. S&P at lows of the day. Let's see if it pops and reclaims this trend line here. Oh, we're bracing for the jobs data. Oh, lows of the day. 66.41. I think I saw what, like 66.36 or something, maybe 32, 66.32. That's funny, man. Yeah, that's why I laugh, man. They always pump this market, and then anytime I say calls, give the benefit of the doubt, that's when they. That's hilarious. Here we go. I'm gonna take it right back to the trend line now. Yep. Yep. Fighting for the trend line. Oh. Wowzers. 66.40. Dollar just gap down. Dollar just dropped down and then gap down. Surprisingly, yields aren't doing too much. It's very interesting. Very interesting Monday. S&P 60 up 66.38. I still say calls. I don't know. This is what I mean. Like, I know what I know, and sometimes I'm early. I literally say all the time with index options, it ain't over till it's over. You're the ones getting emotional. I'm just sitting here, doing my job. And the page blacked out again. Why does it do that? Here I go again on my own. Oh, baby. Yeah, put him on ice. Ba-da-ba-ba. Hold on, let me check my account, see if I'm rich. Nope. Actually, looks like we're actually going in the opposite direction. But that's okay. Looks like we're moving in the opposite direction, but that's okay. Oh my god, Nick, you scared me. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Yes, if you are just joining us, we are red. Red. Except for Hershey, apparently. And LAC. Everything else getting smacked around right now. Tesla still holding green. Was still a great call, though, in the Discord. Stock was like 422 when I mentioned the puts. Fantastic. Fantastical. Hey, oh, fantastical. Silver back down, huh? We're back down, huh? Actually, I think it might go even lower. I might see a break lower. Might see a break lower. Oh, it's so bad. It's worse than August. Please help. Help me, please. Please help me. Actually, wait a minute. Let me see something. Chips Act. A disaster. Cause chip making capability. Now USA to become biggest semiconductor manufacturer. Well, looks like that ain't helping. HG down 10%. Oh no! Someone save it. Wow, what's going on with HG? Question mark. Is HG still a buy? Question mark. $66.50. $66.51. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'm doing all right. We're doing well in here today. Thank you, thank you. Spy on the move. Spy calls here. Spy calls. Nick, what are you doing? Nick, 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 Nick. Nick, 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 Nick. Nick, 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 Nick. Nickelodeon. Let's go. Get them while they're hot. Get the calls while they're hot. I like them hot. The ones that don't tell me to stop. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, I'm a funny guy. You better be buying these calls, bro. One. You know what? Don't talk to me for the rest of the day. And don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. You think these degenerate, greedy bastards are gonna let this market close this low? They're buying everything they can get their hands on right now. And why? You ask why. You ask Derek, how could you know that? Because they're greedy bastards. That's it. Oh yeah, watch this. Little delay and then kaboom! Watch. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah, we're doing big things in here, baby. That's funny. I got the sun coming out over here, while at the same time, the darkest clouds I have seen all day rolling in. It's the calm before the storm. Just waiting for the kaboom. Show me some boom. Take us back to our Atari days. Give me the boom. Give me the boom. Yo. You. Are you serious? You're going the wrong way. Come on, we had the 6650, huh? Can we stop screwing around, please? Yeah, it's very windy outside. Something's coming. Something is brewing out there. Here we go. And don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Oh, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Up, my keyboard. 6650. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, Lou, how'd that Tesla put work out for you? Not too shabby, huh? News on SMCI. Damn. Damn. Okay. we got insiders buying the last couple of days. Okay. Nice. Like I said, I mean, obviously it's getting smacked down with the rest of the market. People are beating it up here in the short term. But again, the long-term growth, in my opinion, is there. I stand by my analysis. I stand by my analysis. I didn't do Tesla put. Oh my goodness. And the Disney put made you $25, yeah. The Tesla put would have made you back like everything you lost last week. Yep. Palantir put would have made you money. I don't know, you didn't do that either. Yep. 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 Baby, come back. Mannequin fool. There is glare all over my screen. Waiting for a little pumpy. Look for a little pumpy. Baby, come back. Bam, 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 bam. Baby, come back. Watch the trend lines get reclaimed here. Watch. You're gonna think this thing is possessed, bro. You're gonna see freaking. Watch. Looking for a 50-point run here. Buy the dips here. Buy the dips here. You could buy DraftKings 29 calls if you'd like. DraftKings 29 calls. You could play the pump on Tesla if you'd like. 410s if you could afford them. 410s. Palantir will probably start to come back a little bit. Get them while they're hot. Baby, come back. It's a good song. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Here we go. You got to pump it up. May have been early. I'm not wrong. I ain't afraid no ghost. Pump it louder. Pump it louder. baby, come back. With unsettled funds, meaning you're looking to flip it and take a good faith violation, or now you have to hold it into tomorrow? Here's the pump. Here we go. Go, 50-point rally. Well, see how much it goes up in the next 30 minutes. Might be worth taking the violation. Keep an eye on it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Pump it louder. Yeah, I like Intel calls here. I like Intel calls here. Oh, he's giving his remarks in 2 minutes. Ooh. What? Middle of next year, looking to get a tariff dividend check. There you go. Little dividend check coming your way, huh? So bad. zo fijn, zo fijn, zo fijn, zo fijn. Zo fijn, zo fijn. Zo fijn, zo fijn. Zo fijn. Could be seeing the 25s. So fine. The 25. There it is. Here we go. So bye, so bye, so bye. Oof. Not really seeing a late day surge, are we? Hmm. Ain't over till it's over. Yep. Telling you, we're pumping here. I'm telling you. Telling you. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow morning. Yep. 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 Yes. Yes. Outstanding. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Gotta clear that trend line. Come on, baby. Hold on. You watch that. I'll be right back. Hello. Small profit on the calls. Hey. I'm telling you, you still got over 2 minutes left. You'd be surprised. Yeah, make it look easy in here. We make it look easy. Two weeks. It's a toss-up. It's definitely a toss-up. Save that gauge. If you put in a sell now, I think it gives you a couple extra minutes. That is how you start off the week, baby. And a lot of people make a lot of money today. Check my account, see if I'm rich. Not even close. All right, let's see. Go back to our activity. Shout out to Joe giving out the membership. Sending a few bucks. Appreciate you. Our buddy from Denmark throwing a couple of kronas this way. Shout out to Deli. Shout out to Killian. And of course, my good friend Lucio. That's pretty much it. Thought we'd have a bunch of people making money, but apparently we only had a handful of these. Oh, hell yeah, good stream today. And you know what? That's how you put the nonsense behind you, put the blinders on, and continue to go to work. That's how you bounce back from negative bullshit. It's all good, brother. You'll figure it out one day. That's it. The grind set mindset. I like it. Thank you, Vince. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, well, Tesla technically got that good news, but again, it was like right around here where I called the puts, and that's, as you see, where markets kind of started to sell off. So it worked out perfectly. But technically, um, Tesla had good news today, which is why it was up almost 5%. Yeah, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. I knew it, man. I knew it. Showing them who's who every day. Every day. That's why I say, like, unless you have no idea what you're doing, this shit's fun, man. I'm having a lot of fun. I don't know about you guys. I'm having fun. Hmm. That's how you bounce back from nonsense in a Discord. That's how you start a week, baby. That's how you do it. Man, I'm jacked. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, yeah. Well, work here is done. Do me a favor before you leave. Just give a thumbs up, like the stream, please, if you can. That means a lot. Dubs in the chat. Straight dubs today. Yep, had a good day today. Gonna be an even better day tomorrow. Gotta keep the snowball rolling. And yeah, make sure to like the stream again. I appreciate everyone's time. I hope everyone had a good day. Good Monday. And of course, we will pick this up tomorrow and have an even better Tuesday. Love you guys. Thank you for your time. Have a good